He and his family have endured terrible conditions, including persecution based on the ethnicity.
Attorney Sang-Yup Kim says his client is from the Hutu tribe and that local militia are striving to drive all Hutu out of the Congo, and says Beyond Fate tried to get help from the Congolese government after he paid high ransom to get his son back in 2017.
Instead, the same militia came again in 2018, went to his house and threatened to kill him and rape his wife, kill all of his children.
In November, the former banker and teacher hid his family and fled. With a U.S. visa in hand, he was hoping to get to French-speaking Canada and ask for asylum.
He did not know about the Safe Third Country Agreement, which would not allow a non-U.S. citizen to apply for asylum in Canada if they arrived in the United States first.
The ACLU says their client was so naive, he asked for instructions from U.S. Border Patrol at the Derby Line crossing in Vermont.
He kind of thought that as an innocent person coming to the United States, having a U.S. visa would allow him to go to the border, and then even he asked the U.S. border officer to show him the direction how to go to Canada legally.
Beyond Fate was escorted back across the border, stripped of his U.S. visa, and turned over to ICE. Since November 21st, he's been at the Stratford County Detention Center, which is currently holding 72 immigrants.
He has only one legal avenue to fight his case in the United States, to be protected by the U.S. government.
The next hurdle will be raising the money for bond, which lawyers suspect will be high because Beyond Fate has no ties in the U.S. The New Hampshire Conference of the United Church of Christ has an immigrant support group that's trying to raise money for the bond, but say their funds are depleted. You can find their link on our website. Live in studio tonight, Amy Covino, WMUR News 9.